sincerely, obeying your parents. Please don't go outside because now the rate of infection is growing. And be at home. Instead of playing, do something creative. Use your time in making some craft, planting some trees. Useless bottles are there at home. Ask your mummy papa to help you and plant. You can plant coriander and anything and all. Just involve in activities at home, and and study, which is very necessary. So in the process, let us continue. All of you open your prescribed book, chapter 6, oceans and continents. Oceans and continents means, here the land masses which you can see, I request please kindly zoom so that children may see. So the land masses which you can see here is, these are the big land masses, the big chunks of land which you can see here are the continents, and the blue portion which you are seeing are the oceans and seas. These are the water portion. So which we are going to learn about this. Why is Earth called the blue planet? Now as I am demonstrating you this chapter on the globe, you can see that majority part of the globe is covered with blue color. These are water. Even in Google or in Google Earth, if you see the image of Earth, you will find that the Earth is looking bluish in color. This is because of the large proportion of water which is on the Earth, because in large number of water bodies are there due to oceans and seas. The Earth looks bluish from the top, and hence it is called the blue planet. So children, we learn about oceans and seas. So what do we know about our oceans? I will teach you this today. I have explained it in detail in this video. So all of you see the video carefully. You will get your answers to all your questions clearly if you watch peacefully this video. A large part of the earth, in fact about 2/3 or 70% of it, is covered by water. If you go to the moon and look the earth from there, it would appear blue in color due to its vast water bodies, thus giving it the name the blue planet. Let us read about the oceans which give earth the blue color. Oceans and seas. Water bodies on earth that are very large in size are called oceans. There are 5 oceans on our planet. They are the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Arctic, and the Southern or the Antarctic Ocean. When you see the map of the world, you can see where these oceans are located. Come, let us find out some interesting information about these oceans. Until the year 2000, there were only 4 oceans: the Pacific, the Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic. In 2000, scientists named a new ocean the Southern Ocean. Ocean provides a home for thousands of plants and animals. They keep the earth warmer in winter and cooler in summer. We'll learn about the oceans. There are 5 oceans on the earth: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. So, let us read about these oceans in detail. Pacific Ocean. This is the largest and deepest
Ocean. It covers about one third or 30% of the entire ocean surface. The name Pacific comes from the Latin word pacifico, meaning peaceful. Thus, Pacific Ocean means peaceful ocean. The Mariana Trench lies within this ocean. It is the deepest place in the world and is approximately 35,000 deep.
This is the Pacific Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, and this is surrounded by sea here North America, and this is here Australia, here it is Asia. So Pacific Ocean is here. Coming to
The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean and it separates Europe and Africa from North and South America. The Atlantic Ocean gets its name from the Greeks who called it the Sea of Atlas. Its shape is somewhat like S. Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest part and it's approximately 28,000 feet. The Atlantic Ocean is about half the size of the Pacific Ocean. It covers roughly 20% of Earth's surface. Christopher Columbus crossed the Atlantic Ocean and reached the American continent.
Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is south part of the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, this all region is Atlantic Ocean. Here it is between South Africa and between here North America and South America. Atlantic Ocean is here in between.
Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean and is the only ocean to be named after a country. It is located between Asia, Antarctica, Australia, and Africa. Java Trench is the deepest part of this ocean. It is roughly 25,342 feet deep. It supports a wide variety of plant and animal life.
Next we'll see Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean which is named after a country. It is towards the south of Asia here and near Australia, here near Africa. So it is bordered with Australia, Asia and Africa. Now let us come here again. This is Pacific and South Pacific Ocean.
Arctic Ocean is located around the North Pole across the Arctic Circle. During winter, this ocean is mostly covered with ice. Many polar bears live over here. A jellyfish with a funny name, lion's mane jellyfish, is found in this ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean or the South Polar Ocean. In winters, half of it is covered by icebergs and ice. Emperor penguins, which are the world's largest species of penguins, live on the ice on this ocean.
I'll show you Southern Ocean. If you can clearly see it here, see it here, is it visible? Visible? This is Southern Ocean. This ocean always remains frozen because sunlight does not reach here to this portion of the ocean. This is always covered with ice. This ocean is frozen always. So these are the oceans which I showed you. What are continents? I showed you here. Continents are big land masses, big chunks of land, and many countries together are combined to form a continent. It is huge land masses. Actually, all the continents were far apart, spread apart here and there, but gradually with the there you will read in higher classes tectonic movements and all are there. So with gradually the plates, the tectonic plates of the big land masses, they slided and they came together to form continents, and they came together to form the continents. So what do we know about our continent? I'll teach you about our continent.